Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
Today we are checking in for another Project 2024 construction update, and they covered the holes. It's right. Adam was saying this is where the boomerang is.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like it would fit more.
There's gates back behind these flyers.
Oh, yeah. Apparently. I mean, it looks like it would fit in the spot, too. But now, it's fine here. You know a bunch of history of Dorney Park? Yeah.
Hershey was always my, like, little park.
I was going to say, you're probably closer there, huh? How far away are we from? I guess, well, Huntington State College area.
Huntington, it's 3 hours. State College, it's like 2:40.
So it's still a bit of a,
Hershey's definitely closer. Hershey's like an hour 45.
I would say, yeah. Yeah, because whenever I do that, whenever I come to Hershey this summer, I'm actually going to go to State College Friday night and sleep in my apartment.
What are you going to Hershey?
I'm not going to Hershey. I'm not going.
Whenever he wants to.
My parents yell at me for taking the car a million miles.
Why don't you go to better parts?
What is the better part?
He could go to, he could stay at his apartment and then just go to Hershey.
Say Hershey and then come back and just Saturday night just go back to my apartment and then just leave on Sunday and get back up to Erie.
Hershey sucks.
It has a good grocery lineup.
It doesn't though.
It does. I mean, it's not.
It has.
He like just likes to complain.
No.
Like,
Yeah, he just likes to play.
No.
Yeah, like if
has-
it's something that everyone agrees with, then it's wrong. You
I
know.
know. The good rods there is Storm Runner, and that's it.
Fair, Sky Rush, Pandemonium.
What?
No, not Great Bear. Great Bear is kind of like, but still. I like all the old stuff.
Yeah.
Grandma.
Yeah. It's new or old? Well, it was 63 to 8 degrees, so probably
No
cool.
speed. No books and bats,
But, like, is it just like a workshop? Like, just know what the deal is here.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Definitely like a degenerate section.
Yeah, I'd say so. We're here, we have some construction geese. Hey geese, how you doing?